This is the Holiday Spirit Christmas storage bag. And this is in red, but they have other colors to choose from as well. And this will hold up to a 9-foot artificial tree, disassembled of course. And they also have it for 7.5-foot tree as well. And this is really nice because it's made of strong Oxford fabric. And it is also waterproof and will be dustproof as well. This also has reinforced handles as well as a double zipper too. And look how nice this looks. This is great to store your Christmas tree when not in use. Put it up in your garage rafters or in a closet. And let's open it up so you can see how it works. So this is what it looks like. It also has this ornament right here that says Holiday Spirit. And it also has this tag here too, so you're able to write down, in case you have 2 or 3 Christmas trees, which one's inside it. It also has reinforced handles on the inside as well as the outside too. And look how nice this is. It has a nice coating, so it's gonna be waterproof as well as dustproof. Keeps the critters out as well. And it also has double zippers. And the zippers are on both sides, and that way you're able to easily put your Christmas tree inside the bag without damaging the branches. And it has handles here on both sides, but it also has a handle here so you can easily pull it out from the rafters. So you can have it either vertically or horizontally put up. And now let's fill it up with the Christmas tree so you can see what it looks like all filled up. And this is what it looks like inside. Plenty of room for our tree, even our tree stand as well as our skirt too. There's even room to put more items such as garland and lights as well. Perfect. So look how nice this looks. This measures 65 inches by 15 inches by 30 inches. And this fits our whole tree as well as the stand too and the skirt as well. You can even put garland inside it as well as lights too. It really takes up a lot of room, right? I was sent this from Holiday Spirit to evaluate and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.